she took away. Oh, look at the little turtles. Did you see here? Come on here. Look at how little they are. We are coming now to this wonderful place. This is the Gumbo Limbo Nature Center. It is a place that has turtles and some other animals. Has a butterfly path, so it's really nice, right, guys? You guys excited?
Yeah.
So they were closed for a long time for the COVID-19. They have aquarium as well, so it has a nice things over here for family to enjoy. So come over with us and let's have some fun. Just be careful. Can you guys sit down? What's too late? Olha o que eu quero. Stay here, Valeria. Valeria, look at the little ones over there. Don't run for kids walking. Yeah, there's one here. Yeah, baby. You're gonna sit down the head? Why not? Not running. Come on, keep walking. Keep walking. So you see the centers over here. So it has a lot of different things to do. So he has butterflies, aquariums, turtle rehab, theater. Kira, look where you're going. Come on. All the way up. Okie dokie. I got it. Don't need to pull yourself. Oh, look at here. Come on. Yes, you got it right. Guys, look at this. So, let's go to the aquariums, right? See the turtles. There's a lot to see here. So, Valeria, go here. No, keep this away. Uh-oh. Oh, it's a snake. Ooh. Look at guys, a snake.
Hey, you want to pet him?
Yes, she loves snakes.
Yeah, just gently. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, guys.
Ruby.
Ruby. Nice name. What kind of snake is she?
A red rat snake.
Wow, so she's not poison, of course.
She's not.
Okay, like
Yeah, no, we wouldn't be.
yeah, I know. Like what? So what's the poison worm? Where they touching? Come on, guys. So let me see this, Valeria. So let me see the paper. Gumbo Limbo tree. Well, let's see if we can find it. Come on. Okay, so let's go to the aquarium. Go down here.
Mommy!
Yeah. Remember this?
Yeah.
Valkyrie, I need you to slow down. Wait for us. Thank you. No need to run. You have to deviate it. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, let's go in this one first. This one here, this way. Go. Come on, baby. Valeria, vem. Look at the turtles, guys. Okay, keep it going. What it is, baby? You have to stop to look at, but you keep walking. You're not gonna go inside. Everything is outside. They still have a turtle here. Oh, jeez. Can you guys slow down? You're not, no, you cannot climb. Look at. See? Not climbing. Valeria, give me this over here because I don't know what it is. Look at the fishes. So many of them. So give me this. I'm gonna look for. You're not looking. I will find it. Enjoy the aquarium. Look at the bigger fish. Look at the size of the fishes, Valeria.
A big fish, Mommy.
Yes, it is, right?
Here's the fish.
Wow, this is a huge fish. Look at this. They're so big. Kiria. Hey guys, below down, Valeria. Wow! We found one. Okay. Wow, look at this fish, guys. My Lord. Okay, let's keep it walking. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Okay, we're gonna see the turtles over there, so we're gonna see if we can find those turtles. Okay, we are hunting now. Okay, so let's go that way. We're gonna find the other ones. Look at here, guys. That's the Sea Turtle Rehabilitation Center. So we're gonna find some turtles. We're gonna look for the turtles that are the door. Oh. Thank you. It's the lab. Hello. Is this turtle the one that is over there? The turtle shell. Yes, I know. Here, there's a bunch of turtle here. There's another turtle here. Look, Valeria, look over there. See if we can find the turtle. See, they're swimming. Look at here. Hey, Leya. Hello. I ought to get him. He's her. Yes, I know. Yes, I'm gonna do it. And another turtle here too. I'm gonna put it there. So come on. Come on here. Oh, look at this. The turtle troubles. Oh. Yeah. Let me make it in see. Okay. Come on, guys. Come on here. You wanna see the butterflies garden?
Yeah.
So let's go in the butterfly garden and come back here, okay?
We need the butterfly. Look.
Yeah, we need the butterfly, a spire. I don't know what the spires are. Be careful.
We have the picture of the butterfly.
Says I know, but we're gonna look for the butterfly. Come on. Too long here. Okay, be careful. No, here. Follow me. You see the butterfly in the floor? You gotta look for the butterfly. You stay here. Yeah, baby. Come on here. So you're gonna go now in the butterfly. You're gonna look to find some butterflies. Come on, show me. You could have go down way over there. Alright, let's go in the front. Come on, keep it walking. It's not a lot to walk. Come on, Vakira, it's this way, baby. We gotta look at the tree too. This tree over there, Valeria.
Mommy.
Yeah, watch where you're going. Yes, I did. No, I did. We're gonna find another tree. Can I see the tree that you have over there?
Look.
Looks like this tree.
You have two trees.
Yes, so now pay attention where you're walking. You found the one? Oh my goodness, come close to see. And you're right. Oh, we found it. Look at this beautiful girl. Oh, look at the butterfly. Wow, you gotta chew. Come on, kid. Kitty. Ah, we found the tree. We found all them. We just found the spire. Look here. Guys, look here. This is spire. Here. Look there. Don't go too close. See? Here, Valeria. Look at that. Don't touch it because I don't know if it's poison. But we found the spire. Oh, look at the butterflies here, guys. You're missing the butterflies. Look at Valeria, the butterflies. Everywhere. Look at that. Oh. I don't know, baby. Maybe not. Okay. I'm gonna hold this up. A lot. Go this way. Sweating here. Come on, baby. A lot of butterflies.
I see one butterfly.
Yeah. Look. They're everywhere. Come on, keep it going. You might find the tree. Uh-oh. So that's a hotel. That's funny. Let's go into the end and we'll come back, okay? Not running. Let's walk. Not running. Valkyria, stay close to me. Come on. Yeah, deviate. You have to deviate. Really hot. Gracias. Yes, so this would be kayak. Yeah. Yes. Not running, baby, just walk. You can go over there if you wanna. You wanna go inside? Look at this. Little. Come on, get in. Get it. So, as treasure hunt as animal and the plants to hunt is almost over. We have 3 items to find. Valeria, can you give me this so I can see? Show mommy. Look at this. Look at here, right? So we're gonna go around here, going back, okay? Go this way, Kirita. Not running. Just walking. Enjoy your walk. Not running, okay? Kiria, Valeria. Yes, keep it going. Come on. Keep it going. Cross with me. Bora. Kiria, watch where you're going. It's a canoe. Called canoe. It's not a boat. Boat is bigger. Boat is bigger than canoe. It's a canoe. Come on, let's go. Okay, come on. Come on. Yes. Yes, we're gonna find it. Just give me a minute. No, you already saw a spider. We have a spider everywhere here. We already found the mixed spider, okay? So, let's go that way where everybody's going. See where they're going? We're gonna go after. There's another way over there together. Come on. Yeah, good, baby. Happy. Just be careful when you go down. Be careful when you go down. Take a time. Oh, wait, you see the aquarium. gonna find the fish. And
Wait, you are gonna find it.
you gotta go inside.
Why?
Because it's inside. It's not here outside. You gotta find the other ones outside. Now you gotta go inside. Okay? Yes, sir, mommy. That's good. I like it. Oh, look at the plants. You saw that? Oh, look at that. Valeria's playing with this. Yes, in there. Yep. Wow. Can we go inside that? I don't know about you, but I'm sweating a lot. Come on. Let's go back inside. Aquarium that way. Go back that way. Find it. Oh, you okay?
You went to see the seahorses?
What is the seahorses?
Over here, this building.
Okay, come on, guys. This way, we're looking for the seahorses.
When you walk in, look in the back, you have tanks in there, so they are in the tank.
The duck here?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we were looking for. We found like here everything, but we still missed three items. One was the seahorse. Come on.
You went to see the butterflies?
Yes, we found the butterflies. We got it there. We got the trees. We got the spires. Kind of hard to miss it. But the seahorses, I was like, what are they? I love them. They're so beautiful, really. Okay, so we're going this way. That way. Yeah. Come on. So, what she say? Maybe here? What she say? What is? I don't get it. Ah, it's here, guys. Oh, the little turtles. Hey guys, look at the seahorse. Haha, we found you. Look at this guy is hidden here. Oh my. Yes. We find the seahorse. Wow. Come on, we'll go this way now. We're gonna look for the fish and then we're done. What happened, mommy? Come on, baby. Be careful. Ooh. You okay? Let's see the aquarium again. Let's go all the way down. Let's look for the fish. Then we're done. That fish I know is over there. Let's ask a lady. She knows where the fish. Valeria, Kirita, let's ask her. Kiria, oh, ask her what's the fish. Show the fish. The big fish, the puffer fish, the poison. There. It's over there. Okay, thank you. Come on. Come on, kitty, let's find the fish so we can finish. You guys hungry?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna finish. You're gonna get something to eat. I'm here. Now you gotta help me. Look at the fish in the picture and try to find him. Look at the fish in the picture. Look at the picture and let's try to find him.
This one?
Yes, what looks like that? I'm gonna help you too. Well, you gotta help me. Let's see, Mr. Fish. Oh, I found it. It's on the other side. Come on down. Come on down. Come on down. I found it. I found it. Come on. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. He was here. He was just here. Yeah, it's a little confusing.
Okay, let's break this.
Okay, he's swimming around. He's swimming. No. Here in the other window. Come on, guys. He's now here. Here. It's him. See, we found it. We found it. It's the last one, guys. Valeria, let's go get our prize. Come on. So, guys, this is a really nice place. They do donations. They actually, the FAU Marine Lab is over here. And I will tell you, just donate. They ask to donate $5 for each person coming to keep the animals, to keep everything. So, please subscribe to our channel every Thursday and Saturday, new videos. And we see you next video. Subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye. Come on first. You can take a shelf. Shelf that you like it. Only one. It's just one, guys, not a bunch. Just one. One. Okay, come on. Come on, Kira, you grab it? Come on. Come on here now. Follow mommy. Come on. Follow mommy. I'm going to look here, okay? Not you guys. Come on here.